New England clam chowder that I make was a recipe that I've really altered heavily. It called for only one small onion and 2 potatoes. So instead of that, I have added 1 fairly large onion, 3 ribs of celery, about 2 or 3 carrots, and 3 potatoes. I'm stretching it out. It also saves money. And actually, it's supposed to have bacon in it. So I sauteed the vegetables in bacon grease that I save and freeze. And I actually like these better than real bacon in this soup. If this is made out of soy, it holds its texture a lot better. And actually I like it. So, and plus it's a lot cheaper. So after making this recipe several times, I really like my variation. So don't be afraid to alter a recipe. You got to experiment. The clam chowder cooked at high pressure for 5 minutes. I did a quick release and then added a cup of milk and a cup of cream and a butter and flour roux. The spices and herbs were added before I did the pressure cooking, and it just has to simmer for a few minutes and that'll be done. So this batch will be about 4 meals depending on if I want to have a salad with it or not.